Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Ka sarkar Kongres ha Meghalaya ka kentat ya ka ILP watla ka komiti belathau ka menjer banwan rano da ka ILP. Ka NPP kala penparu makalong ka AKA ka bamsung tenat bau noilam ka liang persa Dr. Mukul Sangma uyai ketna bat thaulat kumno ban kentat jur penthok brai ka nikah sarkar MDA. Ka NPP kala bo jingkeli ru ba balai ki jingkeli ki ai ki phalo tangha ki jingma berkat Dr. Mukul bat kinailam ka Kongres.
Out his ignorant and careless attitude towards the ILP issue through the high-level committee of 2012. His government had constituted the high-level committee in 2012. There was deliberation with all stakeholders including NGO, traditional heads, ministers and district councils. The committee collectively recommended ILP. The Congress outright rejected the recommendations and did nothing. Bindo Lanong, the then Deputy Chief Minister, criticized the government over its inaction as well as stated that the constitution of the committee was a waste since the Congress had refused to take action over it. If Dr. Sangma did not listen to the seasoned politician like Mr. Lanong and to a committee appointed by his own self, how can we expect him to listen to the voice of the people? He merely knows how to distract the public's attention by coming up with immaterial bills like Meghalaya regulation of landlords and verification of tenant bills that would have made the local people of Meghalaya a minority within their own states. To know that it is not only the MDA government came into that after the MDA government came into the power, the long pending demands of the people are being taken into consideration at its highest level by none other than the Chief Minister himself. Crucial issues like MRSSA and ILP are being raised with the central government for the first time. Thanks to the leadership of the current MDA government, the governor has assured the Chief Minister that he'll be meeting with the Union Home Minister, Amit Shah, and expressed the urgency of the matter. We thank the people of the state for entrusting their faith in our party and for their continuous support and confidence. That it is very unfortunate that the leader of opposition has once again attacked the MDA government over the issue of ILP. Despite multiple clarifications from the government, it seems as if Dr. Mukul Sangma is unable to digest the fact that the current government is exceeding people's expectations and is committed to work tirelessly for the well-being of the people of the state. Why else will a party leader continue to invest his precious time in blame game and petty politics when he can use them to serve the people of this constituency? For what matter, constructively critique the government. Moreover, why is it that this confusion dwells only within Mr. Sangma's head time and time again? Seems like a case and that we say an idle mind is a devil's workshop. Nonetheless, it is the duty and to be accountable to the people, and thus we reassure them that the issues of MRSSA and ILP are being pursued by the government with the leadership in Delhi at its highest level. In fact, the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya and the Chief Minister are in constant touch, and the Governor has assured that he will take up these issues at his highest level with the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Contrast to the impatience of Dr. Mukul, it seems that the public is more aware to recognize that the MRSSA had to go through a stage of redrafting to give it teeth and make it foolproof, ensuring none of the aspirations of the people of Meghalaya are left out. The revised MRSSA will put a check on the communities, on the influx of illegal migrants in the state, and will ensure that there's adequate protection of the indigenous communities in Meghalaya. The MRSSA in its current form is more robust and substantial, unlike during the Congress regime, where it was toothless and vague. The MRSSA, passed by Dr. Mukul Sangma's government, was just an instrument to play with the people's emotion to earn petty vote bank. We are all aware it did not echo the needs, the voice, protection, issues concerning our people. Many of us have forgotten that pro-ILP agitations that took place back in 2013, when unspeakable number of innocent citizens were autocratically arrested by the government in just a matter of few months. Helpless people of the state had to bear the brunt of the situation under the tutorial regime led by Dr. Mukul Sangma. Innocent people lost lives simply because the Congress had shut their eyes and ears to the voice of the public. It is interesting to note that when the pro-ILP agitations were going on and Meghalaya was in the state of disarray, our very own leader of opposition was busy enjoying foreign tours, and later he had the audacity to justify it as a learning trip. Stated by the national president herself, we are all for exemption of the CEA for not just the state of Meghalaya, but in fact for the entire Northeast. But then now, again, I would come back to that when ILP was a demand that was put forward to the Congress government during Mukul Sangma's time, why did he not act on it? What was he waiting for? That's why I said, if he is a doctor himself, he should know well, prevention is better than cure. This was preventing the people, the hardness, the hardship that the people of the state would face. If he would have done it then, I don't think these questions would arise right now. ILP was not a cup of tea for the Congress. So why now? Why do they want to intervene in things like this now? Why do they want to push this now? What is in it for them? The hidden agenda behind that, we would like to know. And as a seasoned politician, rightly said by my friend from Shillong City, I think they should devote more time to their constituencies, to the people of the constituencies, instead of raising up such issues which has been given clarification time and time again, not just outside, but even on the floor of the House. So I think Dr. Mukul should really look into this and think, divert his attention towards the constituency, towards his own constituency, and to the people of that constituency.
Kadang kajing bom semutanat, kamtam hakawedai buat menangilam kalang pesyak Dr. Mukul Sangma, upaya kentho si kentho nakawai kapor, syakawai kapor, kentho beria, ya kani ke sarkar MDA, kabadai ke sarkar jong pajwa. Kajing kentho dangsian dauni menangilam jong kaseng Kongres, kalong kaba thok buat kaba syukuri pajwa. Hakam tam hakawedai bakani kamat LP. Nomor bakam don nang rim hai iru. Kajing keno kajing kento jung nang bol. La kalong hapo jung kayang assembly na kalong habar. Nomor kata ila masaki barat hadian kijing pensai na kaliang ke sarkar, na kaliang CM, bat na kaliang sembut menteri rangba. Nrai kini kita yai per. Na kawai sini bersama ni karena kaju kamat kawedai bat kanika ILP. Bat kento ya kan ke sarkar ke ba yalam ya kan ke bor sensara kan ke jela jungi te ke jingli jungi kalong yo Dr. Mukul Sangma ko kan ke por kalong ba ule ayu ha por bu mukul dan ha por ba ha por ba ke sarkar Kongres kadang bat yo lakam sensar jong kan ke jela ba ha por ke sarkar Kongres kadang bat yo lakam sensar hangte po Delhi kile ayu ya kan ke isu ILP kabadi ke isu ko balai ki labun senam naduk senam nyu khandai terter kadai isu ke baki pajba aga jala ki kwa ki dawa nrai anda ba kimdon su aga bor bat ki don aga liang persya kadai ke kamram nyu ki tangon siai persya klem da phaidien pat ayu ki lale khamtam nakaliang nyu ki hapor ki bat ke bor sensar tingila ban pen kenal fi kindak ru ba de hapor jung Dr. Mukul lathung komiti jongka high level committee ban pek hakabedai bakani kamat LP hakabala tung chairman yang sembut menteri jong uhi hakato por wa bendo lanang rengkat kiwai kidkhot jong kato komiti ban bisar hakabedai bat ke isu LP rewat ya kata ka komiti kala recommend kala pediang ban pentri kam ya ka LP rei kam sim ladan kanu kajing pentri kam lani le ya kabadai benne nakaliang jong sarkar jong Mukul Sangma buat ngeken mau ya kawai gajing kenta jong Mukul Sangma hakaba edai bakari ka LP wat uba bendo lanang ubadai chairman jong kato komiti ula kentho jur ya ka sarkar jong Mukul hakato por ya kei ka bangidan ban ong ya Dr. Mukul Sangma ba dia kinangilam jong kaseng Kongres let nak sela ki konstituensi lejong try na kamta ki pajba hawat fidan hakaliang persya tangan su persya compare rek por na ila dia na kamta karoy ka par jong ki pajba konstituensi jong pi lada Philip visit ke konstituensi jong ki bubun kinangilam khantam jong Kongres finlap ya kajing sak dien kabadang sa sikat daya mereka ni ke sarkar kadai ke sarkar upat ba kabla persang maniya rangkat bagi pajba kabla persang tunu ban pentrekam ya kimat ki bakta yang ingin kejaj benrio badai kani ke sarkar ba lasim ya ke resolution dabaro ke melia banra syatai sarkar pedeng bandawa ya ke ILP nak benta ke jing dokam ki pajba buat hakabedai buat Meghalaya Residential Safety and Security Act kabau mukul Ukraine badai ban petrekam kani ke sarkar kadang pej benia kadang bisar dan kadang ilek kumno ban penbha ya kata ke ege ke baki kilas dang kani ke sarkar kadang ilek kumno ban penbha nomor nim kwa bandon ya kanu ka an ke ban trekam hakani ke jela jungi kumboong da manur manu ban lethiet ya ka jan nani ke potlun ka bapai ladangan thiet ya ka jan ngan thiet ka bahai nganum thiet ka bapai te nomor ba katu ka an ka la pengkrek namaki kadon ke jinduna kadon ke jinko deh lor kata kanang rem kadi ke sarkar kadang ilek ban penbiang ban penbah na ka benta ka jingbit jeng biang jeng upat ba jeng kani ke jela jungi